Many of you have asked about Insulate Britain blocking the motorways and what the courts are going to do about it. Well, there was a High Court injunction to prevent them from blocking motorways. However, retired GP Diana Warner is now on the run and there's a warrant issued for her arrest after failing to appear in court to face allegations of contempt of court. Instead, Warner was in North Yorkshire taking part in yet another protest with Extinction Rebellion to stop a shipment going to Drax power station. The Times reports that she says, "I'm here instead of being at court today." At a horrendous court process that's ignoring what's going on in the world, the 8,000 people in the UK who die from fuel poverty, all the other millions of children in the world living in poverty, and for all those displaced to sub-Saharan Africa and Madagascar. She goes on to complain about how many trees the power station uses and how many trees are being used up for HS2. Now, these are very real issues because the amount of resources being used for such things is simply unsustainable. However, the courts have made it clear that protests must be lawful, and there are now injunctions in place to prevent certain blockages, and the courts are going to take action if people are found to break those injunctions. Just last month, 9 people were sentenced for at least 3 months for breaking this injunction, including Ben Taylor, who's 37 years old, who was given 6 months after the judge said that his submissions to the court were inflammatory. So whilst these issues are obviously very serious, I would urge anybody watching not to just take matters into your own hands and go against these court injunctions, because the outcome is only really going to go one way. She's likely to be found, arrested, brought back to court, and that in itself, failing to appear, might amount to contempt of court on a separate charge, and she may well be committed to prison. So as always, I'd be interested in your views in the comment section below, and please do share this with somebody if you think that they are thinking of taking part in such things, just as a warning that it's only going to end one way, and I strongly advise against breaking this court injunction. So please like this video, remember to subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.